Here's a song that every musician should know and how to play it. It's Have You Ever Seen the Rain by CCR. And the verses go like this. It's 8 beats to a bar. So C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the verses go like this. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been that way for all my time. Okay, and the chords for the choruses, 4 beats to a bar, and it's F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and it does that twice, and then it goes F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and it goes like this. And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? And that's it. That's all the chords you need to play Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Hope that helps. And I created an app. I built an app called GigReady, and it also runs on the iPad. And it's got that song with over 100 songs on there, and you can download it for free, and you can learn all those songs and all the chords. So, sending you good vibes, and keep on playing.